Growing up here in Canberra, we see these hot air balloons plastered throughout the skies. I am super excited to finally be able to do this right now. Hey everyone, Luke Curry-Richardson here, also known as Bala Luke on the socials, and today we're on Ngunnawal country here in Canberra, Australia. I'm super excited because I grew up here and I'm pumped to show you some of the goods that Canberra has to offer. So let's go get it, let's go. What an absolute experience that was, flying with balloon aloft here in Canberra. Definitely hit them up and see the capital by the sky. And for this next activity, I am Captain Bala Luke. We're hitting up the Go Boats, an eco-friendly way to see Canberra by the water. Growing up in my time, I'd never had a boat like this to see the lake and the surrounding regions. It's a great leisurely pace to really have a picnic and take a person on a date.
We experiment, but we experiment in a way that we hope people can see food in a different light. We did for the Curry Festival, butter chicken ice cream.
Butter chicken. What do we have here? We've got Singapore, we've got Italy, we've got Japanese with the ramen. Do you have a favorite dish?
Personally, I love the pork ramen.
Pork ramen.
Yeah.
Today we're going to be making a paperweight. So this is a 20-minute session that the public is able to come in and do.
Let's get hot and sweaty, I guess.
Let's do it. Good, go ahead and put the block away. Nicely done, and we have our paperweight.
That is the best paperweight I've ever made in my life. It's also the first one, but it is the best.